Hello guys, this is Gabby Tech. Today I will show you my personal computer build. It's a little bit personal video today because I have a little bit problem with the water cooling system, which I will show you there. You will see my computer inside out, the RGBs and everything. And I will show you how I fixed temporarily my problem. Let's go. Okay. Before you judge, I know little bit it is strange setup. For instance, mini ITX motherboard on giant Thermaltake level 20 XC case. It wasn't planned, just happened that way. Since I over tightened one of the fittings, there is a water leakage. From the reservoir, I tried to seal it with super glue. That worked for a while till now. It feels like one of those old engine cars where some of them burn oil constantly, but they're actually broken. Anyway, looks like I will have to find a replacement for this. Also, speaking of maintenance, I should be cleaning the blocks inside out, and my computer should be cleaned overall, which I will present in my next two videos, how to clean your computer inside out. Perhaps switch to hard tubing. It is not something I've done before, but it will be fun, I think, and new learning experience for me. I forgot to mention you probably saw the condensation issue inside the reservoir. Well, I happened to connect the pump into the radiator instead of connecting to CPU first, then going to pump. What do you guys think about my setup? Let me tell you a little bit the specification. It's an overclocked 8700K on 5 GHz, 16 GB of 3200 MHz CL16. First I started with normal AAO from Corsair, which I still have laying somewhere in the house. I believe it was Corsair Hydro H100V21. ASUS ROG Strix Z370 Gaming Mini ITX, yes. My graphic card is ASUS ROG Strix GeForce 1080 Ti OC Edition Assassin's Creed model. That's one of my favorite games, guys. One day I will show you how I play my favorite Assassin's Creed game. The back plate of the graphic card is very cool. You can see it here, my computer build. Very beautiful. Enough aesthetics of the car. Did I overclock well? What do you think? I think I overclock pretty good with this stuff. I don't know, I really love overclocking that way. Yes. 2050 MHz on GPU boost clock, voltage untouched, memory additional 880 MHz, power target 120%. I can do heaven benchmark to show you guys my settings. Never understood why this card don't like any voltage. I don't know, something is wrong with her. For the processor, on 5 GHz I gained the amazing 1651 in Cinebench, that turtle in the background. I have a very nice turtle in the background that I can show you guys. She's my friend. She helps me very frequently. You can see it now because I replaced it with Gabby Tech. But normally I have it. Anyway, and highest I managed to get this was 5.3 GHz, making the room temperature almost -degree. I gained 1716 Cinebench single core 2023. My highest temperature was 87 degrees. As I said, now I'm planning to put little bit liquid into my reservoir because he's not feeling good right now. Obviously, you can see it. He's gasping for liquid. Let's open this my tempered cloth here. Putting gloves, of course, because you know how annoying it is somebody to put your amazing tempered cloth with their sticky oily fingers. That's why I found the perfect solution for this also. I know guys, I know it's a little bit dirty. Don't worry, I will fix it. I promise. Doesn't feel well here. I was thinking of it. Oh. Don't worry, I'm coming here to save you. Just temporarily. Yes. And we saved her. For now. Miss Reservoir. Ta-da! Here guys, you can see, I will show you when I clean my computer. I prefer to show you when it's a bit clean because look how much dust there is now, guys. I will show you my Assassin's Creed plate and you'll love it. So, now, we can put the tempered glass back. Or maybe I should first clean it a little bit. Okay guys, this was Gabby Tech, and on the next video, I'm sorry for the keyboard video, it's coming on the way. On the next video, in 2 parts, I will show you how to clean your computer inside out and make it look like new. My Italian lady tells you bye bye, bye bye.